Hi everyone, Carson with Proline Range Hoods. Today we're really excited to announce the new series of barbecue range hoods, in particularly the BBQ Ultra under cabinet range hood series that we are just rolling out. We're going to be going through the unboxing, some of the cool features and the designs that we've implemented in this series, and also the install on how to install this on a variety of applications. So let's get to it. Each hood is going to come with ducting, transitions, as well as hardware. So you're going to get two of these. You'll also get two sets of filters. Let's pull this other set of filters out. Here's your other set of filters. You'll get two grease trays. Just make sure that you have those, as well as your easy hanging mount bracket. So that's really important. Now to the hardest part, which is getting the hood out of the box. Okay, let's dive into some of the cool features that we've put into this series of barbecue hoods. The first that I want to go over are the dimmable sealed lights. Very cool, allows for you to kind of gimbal these back and forth depending on your food positioning and where you need it. We've also made these knobs for independent control of your blowers. These blowers are for a total, you have 2,000 CFM, 1,000 CFM for each blower. Fully independent of each other, so you get 4 speeds per side there. You've got a airflow separator that we've designed here in the center. This helps just reduce the crosshair contamination in the actual shell of the hood itself. So from an efficiency and being able to take a lot of those fumes out, it's much more efficient than it was before. Okay, another new element that we've implemented on our new barbecue series in its entirety is the 1.2 millimeter thickness of 304 stainless steel. This is the thickest range hood that we've ever developed, designed for durability and long-standing those harsh conditions of a barbecue. Another emphasis is the design on our high-efficiency baffle filters, completely dishwasher safe. You're going to have them on the top and bottom here for a total of 6. Okay, here's the list of items you're going to need for install. I always like to have a level on me, a big one and a small one, a driver. You're going to use your packet of hardware that comes in your boxes here with the that we provide you. I always like to have a pencil and a Sharpie, a knife, tape measure. We have our easy mount bracket. You're going to have 2 pieces here to make it really simple on you. So let's dive into it. Okay, one of the most frequent questions we get asked is around space planning. How high above my cooktop do I need to mount my barbecue hood? Typically, we say anywhere from 36 to 42 inches. So today, for simplicity's sake, we're just going to mount our hood at 72 inches from the floor. Okay, so let's dive into it. I'm gonna go ahead and measure the width of my space as well as my height and just get this centered up, so I'm gonna dive into that. Okay, now I've found my width and my height of my space. I have the center point there marked. This is important because this is where the range hood is going to sit at the bottom. So that 36 inches above the cooktop. So now I'll dive in. I'm gonna find out where I need to mount this bracket. The hood is 18 inches tall. So I'm gonna factor that into the equation so that I make sure that hood sits here on this line. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and install the easy mount bracket on the back of the hood first. This is where this bracket meets the hood that will slide into that kind of French cleat type bracket on your wall. So we're gonna use these machine screws. We're gonna line this up. These just get screwed in here on the back. Okay, So here's your bracket installed. You've got 4 here on the outside, left and right, as well as your 4 screws in the center. So now it's really sturdy. Let's dive into the wall. Okay, another important aspect with your easy hang bracket, you're not gonna wanna use this if you are going directly into cabinetry, if you already have cabinetry above your range hood. This would be for the application if you were going directly onto your wall and didn't have cabinetry already installed. If you do have cabinetry already installed, you can use the keyholes that are pre-cut on the top of the range hood already, so you can just go directly up into your cabinetry for securing. Okay, so I'm gonna use my easy mount bracket. I'm just going to center that. I'm gonna cut the dimension in half. These brackets are 38 inches wide. So I'm just gonna cut that, and my center point for mounting is gonna be at 19. So I'm gonna measure that and mark it. Okay, so this is our display. We built this to, demonstrate our products, do install videos. Make sure when you are mounting this that you actually are finding studs. We don't recommend using drywall screws. You should have adequate space along that bracket to secure to a stud. I would hit it with a couple different points there, and we'll show you how we do it on ours. So we've got our mounting bracket up on our wall. Really easy to mount. Honestly, you have tons of holes there where you can find your studs. Gives you a lot of versatility there in case your studs aren't spaced out or framed 16-ounce centers. You have, some variability there. So we'll go ahead and now throw this up and see how it goes.
First this time.
Okay. Tell me, ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm on.
Okay, there you have it, folks. It's all mounted, secured to the wall. Remember, this is for demonstration purposes only. We're not ducting this. When you do run your duct, this is going to take 8-inch duct. There are 2 duct transitions you're gonna need to run. Please do not run your duct together. These need to be ducted separately, or else it'll affect the overall performance of your hood. We'll go ahead and install the baffle filters and grease trays and show you the final product. Hey everyone, there you have it. Fully installed, fully assembled. Grease trays, filters are in. Just really excited about some of the features on this hood. Really excited to get it in our customers' homes, in your backyards, your outdoor barbecues. I think it's something you're really going to enjoy for your entertainment. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, support@ProlineRangeHoods.com, or you can go onto our website directly, ProlineRangeHoods.com.